the sexual offenses.
Harassment.
Mm-hmm.
You know, people during this festive season, most especially women, the children, you get, they tend to maybe sexually harassed. You go into a crowded place, maybe a concert. You know, there are various concerts which are the beaches, people go to party, they booze. And these men are there saying that now this lady is off. So they will take advantage of you.
You will drink, you will lose self-control.
Wake up in the morning when you don't even recall what happened to you. So please be very cautious when you're going to those exciting areas, those beaches, concerts, malls, movie nights, what and what. Please at least bear in mind that there are criminals around you. You're not safe. You're not safe at all. So children, there is in addition to what you have told me, harassment or sexuality, I've brought in an issue of children. You know, another offense is children abduction. You know, these festive seasons, parents tend to move with their children to those enjoyment places, and they leave the children unattended too.
They forget.
They forget that they moved with a children, they're a child of tender age, and the child wanders around, and you hear the parent announcing on the microphones, you know, when maybe someone was there paying attention to you, you're not paying attention to your child, and he or she abducts the child. So you, the parent, you'll be held liable for negligence, because in the Children Act, it gives the mandate to parents. Whoever has a custody of a child, you have to take care of that child. You have a duty to take and protect that child. So if at all you move with your child, however much he or she is your child.
And counsel, I would like to remind our viewers that where there is a duty, there is a right. Yes. Where there is a right, there is liability.
Yes. So please, parents and custodians, guardians, whoever, you know you have a child in your custody, please, there is child abduction, there is missing, and you'll be held liable under the law if such happens to that child. Then lastly, before we go into
counsel, before you go to another offense,
yes,
I would
please.
like you to talk about defilement.
Oh, defilement.
Yeah.
Okay, so defilement, as I said earlier in my introduction, we're not here to lecture, but I'm just giving an insight. So defilement happens in you know, these we have vacists now. We have vacists, and some vacists have not yet attained the age of 18 years, and defilement happens on the children or the children. Defilement happens both on males and females. So it happens on the people who have not yet attained the age of 18 years. And these vacists of ours, you see the girl with big nyash, with a beautiful face, and you know, you're there mesmerizing. Please, my men there, I'm going to warn only men there listening, because you want the ladies, those sugar mummies who tend to defile us with the young generations. So please, men there, men outside seeing this video, be cautious. Don't see a lady with a very big nyash and you think that lady is above the age of 18. You will be held liable in defilement. So please, be cautious. If at all you have your partner, at least respect that. If at all you don't have, please.
They should get partners. No room for being single this December.
Alright, so another offense is oh my God, I forgot. Fraud. And it recently happened to my brother. Fraudsters are like nothing. Those people who deliver, they tend to call you, you know. Now let me first narrate a scenario before going into fraud. Let me first narrate a scenario. Which recently, last week here, a fraudster called my brother and he was like, you know, no, sorry, I was saving another number, then I wrongfully saved yours, but we can talk. My brother was like, okay, let's talk. You know, he asked my brother, are you working? My brother works. I was like, no, I'm not working. Okay, so I have money here, Smanga. I'm in UK. I want to deliver a Christmas gift, Smanga. We are in the festive season. I have, it was, I won't go much into the details because I will have to talk about things I'm not supposed to talk about. But briefly, that person called, he was like, he's going to deliver gifts. You get, they're going to be shipped from UK to Uganda to my brother. You know, like, sincerely speaking, how can you just deliver things to someone out of
the blue?
Like, you have saved the wrong number, and you then you gain that spirit of gifting me something. And then this person he even took those people were nang from.
They took pics.
They took pictures of the things, laptops. The gentleman even, what is your shoe size, your trouser size, shirt size? Then my brother sent. They took the pictures. You know, I've read about the gifts. Now I'm going to the airport. The person even took a picture when he is at the airport. You know, and now I'm shipping. I'm boarding these gifts to be shipped to Uganda. You're going to receive them tomorrow morning. I was like, okay. I'll be waiting for the call. Then the next day in the morning, a person called. You know, am I talking to Ibra? Yes, you're talking to Ibra. So, have your things here at the airport, but they want 300,000 for the customs, manga, for the taxes and for the shipment fees. My brother was like, no, I'm in the hospital, but you deliver those things to the hospital, I'll give you the money when you're there. This person said, no, you're supposed to send the money, I pay off these people, and then I deliver things. Then the brother said, no, where am I? I've been admitted in the hospital. I can't move, but I have money cash on me. Please deliver. I'll pay you on delivery. Then these people maybe knew that maybe this person has jumped our trick.
If I told your bro was a villager, now he's not aware.
Now, that's where the problem comes. If I told you a villager, please, there are very many scammers out there. There are very many fraudsters out there, tending to be delivering agents and tend to be, avoid, there are some offers which are too good to be true, yeah? And some people love those cheap things, please. There are some offers which are too good to be true. So if I told someone gives you such an offer out of nowhere,
decline.
First consult, like, is it legit? Before even giving in your money. Even these people, these fake delivery companies, there are these promotions, adverts, fake adverts. Pay deposit 20K, you receive 200K gift, Christmas bonanza, and you were there looking for for Christmas chicken. You deposit the 20 to receive the 200. They will take your 20K. There are very many scammers out there tending to be delivering agents that they are delivering Christmas gifts, yet they are delivering nothing at all to you. Please be cautious. And to the victims out there, please try to consult a friend. Consult a friend. For all you have never experienced something, consult a friend. Like, is it really legit? Or check they are legit delivering agents in Uganda. They are legit delivering companies in Uganda. You get. So please avoid such. Avoid too good to be true offers.
All right, Council. I think we should now handle the measures that can be taken.
All right. So one of the measures to the victims. One of the measures that can be taken to prevent such offenses from happening, like theft, burglary. Please, if at all you're withdrawing cash, people have saved for Christmas, for celebration, they go on ATMs, they withdraw money, they start counting in public.
They show us.
They show paper. Please, try to avoid criminals are targeting you. If at all you are traveling off to the village, please avoid posting your travel plans online in order not to fall victims of the same. And if at all you're traveling, as already said earlier, tell a neighbor, a trusted neighbor, Let you know I'm traveling to the village, or a relative who is around town, that please help me and check up on my place, or use those safety measures. Install security cameras. You can install those padlocks, security alarm padlocks, in order to prevent the same. Then those people who, like in cases of avoiding traffic accidents and getting fines and imprisonment, because if at all you're caught driving while you're drunk, you can be offered a fine plus a term not exceeding 2 years, because it's a misdemeanor. But if at all you cause an accident and death of a person, then that goes to imprisonment, maybe for life or death. Please try to move with a sober friend. Or if at all you know you're going to drive, don't drink excessively. Drink minimum. You know you have your money saved for enjoyment and spending, please try to drink minimally. Then to the parents, the guardians and custodians out there who bear custody of their child,
of the
minors, please, if at all you're moving with your children somewhere, please try not to leave the children unattended too. Or if at all you can leave them home, they are still young, they will enjoy when their time comes. So,
and Council, you take us through the legal consequences in a few.
Okay, some of the legal consequences. Let me start with the victims. If at all you fall victim of any offense mentioned earlier, you can report to the nearby police. If at all maybe your phone has been snatched, or your phone has been robbed, or your place has been robbed, or any of the offense, now you're a victim. Or if at all you are drunk and you can't drive, please call the police. Call the police.
They can call me in case they have automatic cars. Please. I'm a good driver.
Or if at all you're robbed, go report to the nearby police station that you know such and such has happened to me, and you seek help, because those people, the security agencies, are also very keen during this festive season, because they know what happens during this festive seasons. So to those people, to the accused, not to the victims, to the culprits, the pickpocketers, the robbers, the drunk drivers, please, the Ugandan laws are very clear. Very clear. If at all you're caught up in any crime related to what has been talked about, you'll be offered a fine, you'll be imprisoned for terms 10 years, 14 years, 15 years, or life imprisonment. If at all you cause death, reckless driving, if at all you cause death of another person during driving while you're drunk, they can imprison you for life. Or there is even a death penalty. People, they put you up and they will kill you by a court sanction. So please, try to be very cautious.
Alright, as we end our discussion, please, our viewers, don't forget to let us what you know in the comment section. And please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.